Alright, hello and welcome to the Meat Around the World show. Today from Chile. We're in Chile, yeah. Although our videos are way behind, but you know, we got a life, man. Anyway, let's talk beef. So, as we traveled through like Mexico, Central America, and then into northern South America, beef was always like, yeah, sometimes you'll find some good stuff, sometimes you find imported meat, but it was a challenge, to say the least. Then we entered Bolivia, and in Bolivia it started to become better. So Bolivia, it was not only very cheap, like $6 a kilo, but it was good quality. If you even went on a market, local market, wow, I found some good beef. Now we're in Chile, and now you get like Argentinian meat, you get Uruguayan, Paraguayan, and Brazilian meat. And I'm talking about beef only. So this is Argentinian that we're gonna have today. The show today, although, is about beef jerky. I'm gonna make beef jerky again. I've done it in Phoenix, Arizona, in the desert, and we're back in the desert we're in the driest desert on earth. It's called Atacama Desert. We're near San Pedro de Atacama, and tomorrow, this is gonna be our dinner tonight, but tomorrow I'm gonna make beef jerky. I bought some lean beef and yeah, Paraguayan beef, and we're gonna make a marinade and make it nice and spicy, just the way I like it, and dry it up here on the roof of the camper. All right, well, stay tuned, watch to the end, hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you very much. We're gonna do some beef jerky. Well, it's pretty simple, straightforward. This is the meat, Uruguayan beef. It's beef round, something very lean, very important. And I'm gonna cut the meat against and with the grain. So I like both, you know. So I usually eat it when driving. And sometimes you listen to Barry White and sometimes you listen to heavy metal. So yeah, Barry White will be against the grain. And for heavy metal, you wanna cut it with the grain. Of course, right? So something really tough to chew on. Well, anyway, joking aside, first things first, we're gonna do a marinade. I got the sweet soy sauce. I like sweet soy sauce for my beef jerky, and I'm gonna put like half a cup of sweet soy sauce. All right, good half a cup. Here we go. So we've done this before in Arizona. And there I was not paying attention to any measurements. Now I do. I'm gonna include the recipe in the description. Also, the reason why I'm doing it again is because I've always said, once we're in the Atacama Desert, which we are now, Chile, the driest place on earth, then I'm gonna make beef jerky again. All right, so we're gonna have a little bit less, so like say a third of a cup Worcestershire sauce, or salsa inglés, how it's called here. All right, so that's the liquid stuff. This is the beer, Crystal beer from Chile. Salute. All right, now we're gonna put pimiento, pepper, black ground pepper, pretty coarse. I'm gonna put like, you know, I don't measure it. I'm just gonna put like maybe a tablespoon, but this is up to you. Maybe you like it a little more peppery, a little less, whatever. I like a good tablespoon. I like pepper. Now, gonna add some onion powder. I'd say a half a tablespoon. Yep, it's windy here. Half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now I have smoked paprika here, very important. Gonna add a whole tablespoon of smoked paprika here. The chili flakes come later because I'm gonna put a bit of the marinade into this tub here because of Zoe. Zoe likes beef jerky, but she can't handle the heat, and I like mine very hot. So now we're gonna add a tablespoon of salt, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of sugar. Gonna give it a stir. You know, if you like it sweeter, add more sugar. If you like it less peppery, just don't put as much. Same goes with the chili. So I'm gonna put a little bit away for Zoe. So, and now I'm gonna add the chili flakes. Also, I would say half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. Perfect. All we gotta do is chop the meat. As I said, against the grain, with the grain, doesn't matter. I like nice little strips, about this size. Beautiful. You see, this is more like with the grain here. This is gonna be the tough, for the tough chew. And then we'll make sure with the other one, we do it against the grain, like this way. You get the idea. I'm gonna have this. You see, even that much of fat here, I'm gonna cut it out. Not that beef jerky is gonna be around here in this family for long, but if you plan to make beef jerky and it has too much fat, you better eat it right away. It will go rancid, yes. Beautiful piece. About 3 millimeters in thickness will do. Tomorrow, we're gonna dry the beef jerky top of the camper. Oh yeah, like last time. Now we're mixing it nicely. And then we're gonna put it in the... We're gonna cover it up and then we're gonna put it in the fridge overnight. Oh man. Good morning! The day of truth. So we got our beef jerky here, Zoe's portion, ours with chili. And I got my trusted beef jerky rack that I carry around for 4 years now. And we're gonna put the beef jerky here, and then we're gonna put it on the roof to dry in this beautiful weather here in the Atacama Desert. Raggedy, raggedy, rack. Here we are on the AC unit. Oh yeah, Atacama Desert, most driest in the world. We're in San Pedro de Atacama. Got a good camp spot here, overlooking San Pedro Atacama. Wonderful. My wife is collecting rocks to secure the mosquito netting, and this is a family operation here. All right, almost there. You can see how dry it is. Some of these have already lost the juice. They're not shiny anymore. Wow, it's so dry, it probably takes till the late afternoon and we can dive into them. All right, let's put the mosquito net. I got a mosquito net here. Beautiful. So I don't like flies on my beef jerky. Never knew what to do with the mosquito net. There you go. That's what mosquito nets are for, to protect your beef jerky. Perfect use for a mosquito net. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. I honestly think this is a good business because they're selling beef jerky for so expensive and it's actually no big deal. Cheap meat, and all you gotta do is marinate it overnight, put it out in a dry space, or you can even use an oven for that matter if you don't live in a desert. But anyway, and then pack it up and it'll last. Don't even have to refrigerate it, nothing. I don't see where the cost is really. All right, I'll have to go and check whether the vultures are on the roof of the camper and eat my beef jerky. So let's go. Here we are. No vultures. Oh man. Oh, this is beautiful. I have to try one. They're still a little, well, they're not far away actually. Wow, they're good. After only like, what, 4 hours or so, 3-4 hours, they're already starting to become, Oh man, another 3 hours. 7-8 hours later, look at the beef jerky. She can't wait. Okay, let me see. This is without.
Don't give her a spicy one.
Oh, this is without. Heavy, yeah. See how they shrunk? Put them all together, and now they're all like separated. Beautiful. Oh. Nice and spicy, just how I like it.
How do you like it, Zoe?
Good.
Yeah?
Man, it's good stuff. You want one?
Oh, you bet. Thank you.
I'm gonna make so much more. It's so easy.
Maybe we should start selling it and earn some money.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to say, wine is cheap. Chile is an expensive country. Meat is not expensive, but not cheap either. Not like Bolivia cheap. But wine, bottle of wine, $3. I'm not a wine drinker, I'm a beer drinker. But, you know, my wife, she likes a glass of wine for, yeah. And I always kind of keep stealing a little bit when eating, especially beef. Cheers. Let's try this beef, Argentinian beef, if it's any good. Oof, beautiful, watching the sunset here. All right, it's gonna be interesting to see in Argentina. What I hear, they like to grill everything well done. I like it, I mean, depends on the cup, but I like it medium rare. Just for instance, medium rare. That's good. Little appetizer before my 2 carnivore girls are coming. Bring on Argentina. Oh, I hear in Argentina a kilo of beef is like $2-3. With those prices, why would you eat anything else? Not even for breakfast, right? Not even for breakfast. The other day we came down from those mountains all the way to San Pedro de Atacama. We were doing the Laguna route in Bolivia, where you're at like 4,000 meters, between 3,500 and 4,500 meters for like 3-4 days. No services. It was beautiful. It was just, it was an adventure. In the night, minus 15 degrees Celsius. But in the day, yeah, nice. Oh man, but we grilled every day. Well, almost every day. The last day didn't we fry? Oh, we fried chicken, yeah. And the most important part, beef.
Smells good.
Here we go. Daddy gets two steaks at a time. And there's more for later. Well, enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you for making this. Yeah, I can cut that for you, darling. How is it? Tell the viewers how it is. Did Daddy do a good job? Is it, where is this beef from? Paraguay.
Argentina.
Oh, it is Argentina.
Oh, yeah. Salt. Happy. You want salt? All right, here you go.
Oh my goodness, that's enough. There you go, you can open that one. That is delicious.
Beautiful.
And that's like steak. What do you expect from a steakhouse? Absolutely marvelous.
Oh, man. We're gonna spend a long time in Argentina, I have a feeling. Yep. And
That's where the jackpot is.
no. It was our pilgrimage to Argentina, right? My dad comes visiting for Christmas, so looking forward to seeing him. I'm grilling some mean steaks with him and exploring Patagonia. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. I love beef. And you, Zoe?
No.
Next joke. She dives into the steak. Let me know if you want me to cut it for you.
No, I don't want you to.
All right, well, thanks for watching and stay tuned for Argentina. There's gonna be a lots more beef to come. And I hope you enjoyed beef jerky and meet you around the world. Bye-bye.
See you around the world. Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao. We're happy campers.